guys, it's Tina and I am back because it is that time of the month again. Not for my period, but for my BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is for October 2018. And very unpopular opinion right now, I don't like October. It is one of my least favorite months of the year when it comes to YouTube content. One, we've transitioned into fall, which, you know what? I do appreciate like a little bit of the cooler weather. Like, I don't mind it. It's a little crisper. I'm okay with that a little bit. And the changing of the leaves, that's kind of pretty. But this whole pumpkin spice latte and apple picking and pumpkin picking and Halloween, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. And I mean, blame it on my tropical upbringing. Like, we never celebrated Halloween. I'm sure we do now in Jamaica because we just follow everything that the West does. Like, we're all in it. We're so Americanized. It's ridiculous. We probably have Halloween parties and we're probably wearing fur and boots. For what? In a tropical weather. Like, we're so hot. Like, we're sweating under that just because we want going like we're one of the Joneses. Anyway, I don't love Halloween, especially on YouTube when every single channel that I'm subscribed to is doing Halloween content, and I'm like, please stop. I just want something regular to watch. So I've been watching a lot of documentaries and a lot of like cultish things and serial killer things, and I love it. Maybe that is the Halloween in me. Anyway, let's unbox, shall we? This month is actually pretty exciting because there are quite a few products in here that I absolutely love myself. So I'm like, all right, hello there. So the theme of this month is Alter Ego, and there are 5 full-size products in here, and we'll start out with the first thing, which is from It Cosmetics. Where did I put the actual mascara? Lord Jesus. Here it is. This is the Superhero Mascara from It Cosmetics, and it says it's an elastic stretch volumizing mascara. On the little printout, it says wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. This retails for $24. Fun story about this. I actually went to the launch event in New York for this mascara. They took us to an indoor skydiving place. What the hell is the name of it? Is it called Air? I forget the name of it. I might insert a picture or a clip or something showing this. It was really fun. I didn't know anyone there, and I felt like such an outcast, which is why I probably don't go to events. But there were some nice girls there that were like, you can sit with us. And I was like, all right, thank you. Oh my God. But this mascara, I really do like this mascara. Now, it is not my favorite mascara, but it's definitely in about my top 5, maybe even top 3, because I really like it. I do like the richness of the formula. It's really black and nice. The brush is a conical shape, so it tapers as it gets towards the tip, but it's not a drastic taper at all, as the brush itself is very small. I like this because it gets right between the lashes and it does give you great volume, and it is a rich black formula. Be careful though, because it can get a little bit too thick, so you have to kind of get rid of the excess, but I do like it a lot. I don't think it's the most volumizing mascara, but I do like the length that it gives, and I think you can layer this pretty well without having a lot of clumping. So I do like this mascara. In fact, I've gone through about 3 of these. I haven't repurchased one yet, so I'm glad to have this now because I do really enjoy this mascara a lot. So I think this is a good one. And then we have this set of masks from Dermovia. It says lace appeal with compression technology. So it's a black bamboo charcoal peel-off mask, and it says it's an intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. So looking on the back of this, I'm not going to open it obviously. It has a lace mask that's in there. I think it's meant to be reusable, but it uses compression technology. So you kind of have little loops to loop it around your ears and secure it. And then it has a little support that goes under your neck as well. And it's meant to use compression technology to, I guess, make you more youthful and sexy and sassy. And then on the back it says lace appeal bamboo charcoal uses a naturally blended peel paste formulated with bamboo charcoal, aloe vera, which is really soothing, that's really good, and chamomile in conjunction with a compression lace mask to support the peel process and instantly turn dull complexion into radiant skin. I'm interested in this. So there's like a little tube in here with the product and then the lace mask, and it tells you how to apply it and all that. So ooh, I might use this around the time when I need some kind of soothing stuff, because I've been going through some things with my skin, but my skin has cleared up. FYI, my skin has cleared up, and I found some really great products that I'll mention, but I want to use things more, because skincare is like, you can't just say, hey, skincare, it's great, jump on board. No, you have to use it and really see the results on your skin before you recommend that to people. So a skincare video is coming up, probably like some new skincare finds rather than like a skincare routine and my favorites and stuff. But anyway, next up we have from Pur Cosmetics. That mask retails for $30 and there are 2 included. So next up we have the Pur Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. This, I feel like I wasn't that enthused about this. I know BOXYCHARM has been including a palette each and every month, so I was excited to see what palette they included this time. And this time they collaborated with Pur Cosmetics for this. Now this is both an eyeshadow and face palette. So you have face products in here, blushes, highlighters, and then eyeshadows. I don't know how I feel about this just yet. Now I feel like the shades in this are gonna be great for medium skin, tan skin, and even deeper skin. I don't know that ladies with really light skin, porcelain skin, pale skin, you're probably not gonna enjoy these face products as much, but you can try to share them out, because the highlighter seems pretty champagne-y. It's not really like a light pearl highlighter at all. Yes, so it might be a little bit too deep for you if you have porcelain skin. And then they have this bronzy shade that's going to be beautiful on deeper skin and tan skin. I'll probably use this as a blush topper. That's how I use deeper shimmery shades as blush toppers, and that is beautiful. It's like a coppery shade. Then you have these shimmery blushes, which are gorgeous, and I think you can probably share this out if you are of a lighter skin tone. But this berry shade is probably one that you'll use on the eyes, but I can see this rich berry shade being great for the fall on medium deep skin. So I really like this, but be mindful, if you're lighter skin, you might not be as enthused, but you can use those as eyeshadows for sure. And then the eyeshadows themselves, there's only one matte, and then there are 5 shimmery shades and a couple. Yeah, like the purple is a thinner consistency, and then it has micro glitter in it, which is not my favorite formula, and the purple is not really like popping at all. The green is cute, and then you have a silver, which I find that silver is not one of those shades that people really gravitate towards. And the shades are cute, but they're a little bit more subdued. So if you're not really into highly pigmented shades, or you're not looking for bold color payoff, this might be a good palette. For me, I'm kind of so-so with it. Like, I'm not like, oh my god, this is fantastic. It's okay. The shades are thin for the eyeshadows, and I feel like you're gonna really need a good primer to really pack a punch with these. But they're nice colors. It's just, I know you're gonna probably need a little bit of help to get real color payoff from that, which is interesting that they have these rich tones for face colors, but then these shades are a little bit lackluster for the eyeshadows, because for darker skin, these are gonna have a harder time picking up and really showing up. So you're gonna definitely need a serious primer for this. This retails for $38, and on this it says this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you can totally adore. I don't know that I would agree with that highly pigmented little tidbit, but it's okay. And I don't think you are gonna get natural looks from this. This is definitely more of a rich palette, like a really deep vampy type of palette. It's gonna give you sultry looks, but again, you're gonna need a good primer just from the texture of those eyeshadows. Then we have a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. I was very surprised to see this in here, and it's one of her signature shades. It's Lolita, which everyone went crazy about, so much so that there is a Lolita 2 and I think a Lolita OG something. I don't remember how they did it, but Lolita, when it originally released, everybody fell in love, right? And then there was a new batch released later, and the shade was not quite the same as the original. So people were like, what the hell happened? You changed it. And Kat Von D was like, yeah, they changed it a little bit because they changed the formulation. Something they tweaked, and it ended up not being the same shade. So then they had to release the original Lolita, which everybody was in love with, plus the regular Lolita that was now new, and then they released the Lolita 2. So I don't know if they're up to 3 yet, but I know there are definitely 3 shades. I just don't know how they name it. This is the Lolita, which I'm assuming is the, not the original, but like the shade that's just the reformulated one. I really like this shade a lot. It's a, what would you consider this? It's like a rosy nude shade. What I found though is from this particular tube, it's a little bit sheer. And even though I shake it up, it still comes off a little bit sheer. So I don't know if something else changed with the formulation where this is not as pigmented as it used to be. I don't know what's going on. Like, people seem to be skimping on formulations these days, and they're not as good as they used to be. So this is a little thinner than I remember it being, but I do like Kat Von D's liquid lipstick formulation. I haven't been really paying too much attention to Kat Von D on her liquid lipsticks lately because there's so many on the market that are awesome that I really don't care too much about Kat Von D. The one I'm wearing right now is from Makeup Monsters. It's Blackened Heart. I love this shade. Now this is very dry and tight, so I did top it with another color. This is one of the Luster Mattes from Sephora. It's the Luster Matte Longwear Lip Color, and the shade is Deep Plum Luster. I do like pairing like a Longwear matte lipstick with a glossier lip topper like this. It gives me a sheen like a gloss would, but it's not like overwhelming, which is why I like topping liquid lipsticks with like, say, a cream lipstick of a similar shade, like a sheer cream lipstick or metallic cream lipstick, because it gives me sheen and shine, but it doesn't clump up like a thick gloss can. So that's what I'm wearing right now. But I do like Lolita. I just think the one that I specifically got in the box is a little bit liquidy and thin and not as pigmented. That retails for $20. And then last up, we have the Farmacy Beauty Green Clean, which, excuse me, when I saw this, I was like, shut your mouth, shut it up right now, because this is one of my favorite skincare things ever. Oh my god, this is so good. If you haven't tried this, this is a great time to get it in your BOXYCHARM because it is pricey. This retails for $22. This is a smaller size. I think the full size is like $38 or $35. I love this stuff, right? It says it's exclusively for BOXYCHARM, but I got this size as a freebie with purchase from Farmacy. They had a sale and I picked up a couple of these and their honeybee cleansing thing. So I got this as a bonus. But this is such a great travel size product. It's awesome for when you travel too, because you can use this as a cleanser, because it's like step one in a double cleanse routine where you remove your makeup first and then wash. But this is such a great little pre-wash product. It's a makeup melt away cleansing balm. I love this. If you haven't been double cleansing, which I was the biggest opponent of double cleansing, I was like, why do I need to double cleanse? I can just wash my face twice, which was my version of double cleansing, like wash my face twice. But with these makeup removing products, they're meant to remove makeup. So you remove all the makeup, all the residue, and then cleanse your face with your cleanser. It works so much better in tandem and together rather than doing just a double cleanse with your cleanser, if that makes sense. And I've noticed like better results doing it that way. So I have two things that I absolutely love. This guy is one, and then the second one is an oil cleanser that I will share with y'all shortly, because I absolutely love that oil cleanser, and it is it kind of changed my skin, and I should probably share. You know what? I want to share. I don't want to do an end of year favorites. I just want to do my favorites of right now and not worry about end of year favorites, because I don't want to wait. Like, I want to share certain things with you guys right now. So let me know what you think. But yeah, this box, I am very happy, like extremely happy. There are a couple of, again, the mascara is one of my top 5, probably top 3. This guy is number 1. Well, it shares the number 1 spot with another one, but this is amazing, all right? Then the liquid lipstick is a great formula. I don't know about this particular one, though. Like, I think did they give them duds like oh, you know what, we have extras and they're not really that good, so here you go. But it's good to get this liquid lipstick in such a signature shade, and I think a lot of people will love this shade. You probably have to layer it up a bit, but with Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, layering it tends to not be a problem. Like, it doesn't get thick and goopy or anything. And then I am actually excited about this mask. I am not a big masker, but I'm here. I am available because it is an exfoliating mask, which I've been into exfoliation because of my skin issues. So I like this. This palette is probably the only one I'm skeptical about, because I'm like, really? But I do like the face shades, and I don't know that I care about the eyeshadows. So it's kind of half and half with this. The face shades look really gorgeous, but that's it. What did you guys get? Did you guys get similar things? I love unboxing with you guys because it's really fun, because I get to hear what you guys got, and I feel like we have our own little fun time every month. So let me know what you guys got. I will leave links, my referral link down below in the description box. That referral link gives me, I believe I get a sign-on bonus if you guys sign up through my link. So feel free to use it if you want to support the channel and give back to me. If not, you can just go on the BOXYCHARM website and sign up the regular way. Either way, I think BOXYCHARM is a great subscription box because you get 4 to 5 full-size products. I've been getting 5. I haven't gotten 4 yet. Full-size products that are recognizable brands that you know about, and with great products. Like, this is $22 worth the whole box, and this is an excellent product. Like, I would go out of my way and recommend this to you full retail price because I believe in this product that much. So to get additional products in addition to this, it's just icing on the cake. So definitely let me know what you guys think, and hey, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.